Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove or replace headlight on the Dodge Journey guys, or Fiat Freemont. Both vehicles are the same thing under two different names depending where it was sold. This is the front left headlight. Removing the front left and the front right will be identical procedure. So we have guys more than 200 videos on Dodge Journey. Please subscribe. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. All the tools and parts, including replacement headlights that we use, will be listed in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. So what we did, we jacked the car up a little bit on this side and on the other side so we can get underneath. Now right here guys, we need to start removing a few clips. And we're going to show you, okay, how to remove them in just a second. So we need to go ahead, open the hood. Now right here we're going to start by removing a few clips. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips guys. So how you remove that? Okay, like this one, you just pull the center piece out, pull it up. All the tools and parts again will be listed in the description of the video below. Okay, great. Now we're going to leave the hood open, and right here on the side, okay, there is a few more clips. Okay, this one fell in the tire. Okay, right here. If they break guys, we'll show you where you can get replacement ones. Stay with us until the end for really good price. And then we have just one more right here. Okay, perfect, just like that. Now, right here guys, we have one bolt that we'll need to remove in a little bit, and we're going to show you how we're going to do that. So 7mm socket now, okay, and we're going to remove that bolt. Okay, perfect, just like that. Now on this side everything okay is loose and ready to go. Now we need to go underneath guys, and we'll go on the other side as well. Let's go and remove more clips now. Okay, we're going to show you here what we're talking about. Okay, the ones that we need to remove, okay, right here. Perfect, one is out. So let's see if that piece, okay, I wonder if that piece can come off with the bumper, okay, that lip. If we just have a few more clips holding it so it can come out as one whole piece that I'm talking about, because this is just the front lip of the bumper. But it will be more complicated. It will be easier to remove the lip clips. So you can see quite a few clips, guys. Just take your time. So I'll go to the other side now. Okay, and here we're going to have pretty much the same thing. Okay, you can see 1, 2, and this one 3. This one broke, so we need to replace it. I told you, stay with us and we'll explain where we get ours from, because not every clip you'll be able to remove. So this one is definitely still holding there. It's a little bit of a pain, when you break it, because you cannot remove it. So if we try to push it in, maybe, see what's going to happen. Okay, like that. And now pull it out. Okay, now we need to get something really thin, a small screwdriver. I'll grab one small screwdriver quick, and that way we can push it out. Okay, let me get a small screwdriver to get a few that we might like. Okay, Phillips and a top head is Phillips and a flat head. Okay, here, so okay. Came out, guys, you can see like that. So this last one now here, I'll go ahead grab the clips to show you guys in a little bit. Okay, I'm trying to see which one is better, with light or without light, so you can see just a little bit better where everything is happening. Okay, here quite a bit of mud actually, so we'll need to disconnect a few more. You can turn the wheels, okay, if you need to. Okay, to the left. Okay, so it can give us a little bit more room. Okay, this one almost came out. So if you don't want to come out, guys, okay, we can actually go ahead and spray them. You can use lubricating spray to clean them a little bit. Okay, this one will be stuck there for sure. Came out. Just one more on top and one more on bottom. Okay, this one is out as well. Just one more on the bottom. Perfect. Now here, guys, okay, we have one more screw, okay, that we need to remove, remember. Okay, this is the screw. Now if we grab, okay, we need to put something soft that we can put a bumper and lay it on, because we don't want to damage it, right, when we remove it. Okay, that's going to come out, so we don't want to damage anything. Again, have to make sure everything's loose on top. Okay, this is the grill here, everything is good, and we'll pretty much, okay, bring that blanket here. So we'll grab it on this side now. Okay, right here we have a clip. that holds under the headlight. So I pull that one out. Okay, and we need to disconnect our fog lights. Okay, let us show you. Right there, okay. Just push in and pull out. And that's how we guys remove the front bumper cover, as you can see, just like that. So with the bumper out of the way now, guys, let me explain why we had to remove it. You don't have to, it's your opinion, but there is a possibility you will damage your bumper, and in some cases you will not even be able to pull the headlight out because of, okay, that spot sticking out and this one right here. So now we need, guys, a 10mm socket, okay, and we need to remove 3 bolts. Okay, one is right there. Usually they'll start going by hand pretty easy. Then we have one right here that we need to remove. Okay, this one is out. Now let's just remove this one here. Perfect. Now we have one more on the inside. Okay, let me show you again where that one is, quick. If it's the front left headlight, guys, okay, it's right there. If it's the front right, okay, this one is right there. Grab it now, pull it out. We need to disconnect the wiring harness. Okay, right here you press on this side. Okay, right here, press in, pull out. We need to disconnect, okay, the wires now. Okay, those are the bulbs. So, okay, this thing we pull it out. We also have a video how to install LED bulbs, guys, and the difference is just amazing, so I'll definitely recommend it. And disconnect this one as well. This is, guys, how you remove a headlight on a Dodge Journey. Front right is the same way as the front left, so thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.